Drinks for longevity. Are you looking for effective ways to boost your stem cell regeneration and promote longevity? In this video, I'll explore the top 5 drinks recommended by Dr. William Li that can help you regenerate stem cells and live a longer, healthier life. So stick around till the end and let's dive into the world of rejuvenating beverages. But before that, like and subscribe for daily content like this. 1. Green tea, the elixir of longevity. Green tea's got mad health perks, and people have dug it for ages. It's jam-packed with tough antioxidants and polyphenols that can flip the switch on stem cells and help them rebuild. Dr. Li was studying and found the polyphenols in green tea can shield and back up the renewal of the cells we need, helping us stay chill and live longer. And so next time you want some morning joe, grab some soothing green tea instead to score the benefits of those regenerative superpowers. 2. Black tea, a delicious fountain of youth. I'm really into strong, intense flavors, so black tea is right up my alley if I want to help my cells stay healthy. Like with green tea, black tea has these compounds called polyphenols that can wake up stem cells and help them repair themselves. Sipping a hot cup of black tea doesn't just feel comforting. Because of the ritual, it might also give my body's important cells a boost. Between the bold taste and the potential to promote longevity, I think black tea is an awesome thing to work into my routine every day. 3. Indulge in high flavanol hot chocolate, a decadent path to cellular renewal. Can you believe that enjoying a nice hot cup of rich hot chocolate could actually help rejuvenate your cells? According to Dr. Li's studies, dark hot chocolate that's packed full of flavanols has some pretty impressive power to spark up stem cells and spur along their restoration. Who would have thought? With how thick and chocolatey it is, plus that warm, irresistible smell, wafting up with each sip, high flavanol hot chocolate gives your body's regenerative gears some help turning, and it makes for a lush, velvety treat that longevity fans can feel good about, since it may also lend a hand at supporting healthy processes too. 4. Pomegranate juice, nature's elixir for longevity. Pomegranate juice has got a whole lot going on when it comes to getting your cells bouncing back. Chock full of antioxidants and bio-whatchamacallits, research shows downing some pom helps kickstart your stem cells into high gear for self-repair and renewal. Pretty nifty, eh? Whether you're sipping solo or mixing it up in a smoothie, pomegranate brings a sweet tartness that makes healthy juice not such a snooze. It may sound almost too good to be true, but it's no fib. Science says this ruby red elixir is a great way to keep your bod primed for healing itself today and feeling fine for years to come. And give it a go and see. I'd bet you those vibrant little cells will be thanking you. 5. Coffee. Embrace the power of your morning brew. For a lot of people, coffee isn't just a drink that wakes them up in the morning. It's a cherished daily ritual that gives them energy. Dr. William Li says coffee doesn't just perk you up. The stuff in it actually helps your stem cells work better. Research shows some of the ingredients activate stem cells, so they keep making new healthy cells for you. Pretty cool, right? Who knew that enjoying your favorite latte or cappuccino could be helping your body renew itself on a cellular level? So go ahead, drink up and feel good knowing that daily coffee break is promoting longer life and vitality in your body. Take home message. The stuff we drink really affects our cells and how long we live. If you add green tea, black tea, fancy hot cocoa with lots of flavanols, pomegranate juice, or coffee into your normal food, you can help your body make more stem cells and be healthier. Try some of these drinks that'll make you feel younger as part of taking good care of yourself. Drink up and celebrate feeling good now and living longer. These drinks recommended by Dr. William Li seem like a tasty way to support stem cell regeneration and longevity goals. Why wait to give them a try? It's always nice to have a reason to raise a celebratory glass, and here's to health and feeling rejuvenated. Information on staying informed about new health discoveries feels empowering. When we better understand how our bodies work, we can make better choices to support our well-being over the long run. That knowledge, paired with some motivation to implement it, could help anyone live a little bit longer. Some additional tips and considerations. Including these stem cell boosting foods in your meals is great, But keeping a balanced diet overall really matters too. Here's some stuff to remember. Staying hydrated with water is key. Cells need moisture to work their magic. Eat different healthy foods, get more good stuff. Vitamins, minerals, all that jazz. Helps the cells big time, and limit processed snacks and sugary stuff. Can actually tick off your cells and cause inflammation. Bad news. If you have health issues, already chat with your doc or dietitian first, before big diet changes. Get personalized advice. Balance carbs, protein, and the right fats when fueling up. Gives your body and cells the ingredients they like. It's about consistency, variety, and moderation. Stay healthy so your cells can too. Other ways to increase your stem cells. Diminish your sugar intake. This is some pretty good advice that's worth repeating. When we talk about sugar, we're referring to any foods that get digested real quick and turned into glucose in your blood. And some obvious culprits are white sugar. You'd put in coffee or tea, soda pop, sweet desserts, and fruit juices. Less obvious sugars can be found in processed breads, crackers, pasta, etc. Now, eating too much sugar without balancing it out with enough activity causes your insulin levels to spike. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, high blood pressure. Basically what they call metabolic syndrome. I read about one study where they found adult stem cells actually lived longer in Petri dishes when the glucose content was lowered. Having chronically high blood sugar also seems to make stem cells less able to regenerate and renew tissues. Clearly, it's super important to cut back on added sugars if you can. Honestly, it'd be smart to cut way back on sugar, or even try to eliminate it altogether leading up to stem cell therapy. Decrease your calories. Turns out even just a little bit of calorie cutting can make stem cells work better. People keep gaining weight like crazy, as obesity rates go up and up. One study showed that when mice eat less food, their muscle stem cells get more awesome. This was true in both young and old mice. Short-term calorie cutting also made so-called mesenchymal stem cells more functional too. Now we saw this works in mice, but what about humans? At least one study in people found that losing weight by eating less helped increase levels of circulating stem cells in the blood. And so we recommend dropping your calories by about 20% the 2 weeks before getting your stem cells harvested. One approach called intermittent fasting or time-restricted feeding can help with this. Stay active, exercise, and lift weights. Research shows that older folks who stay active have higher quality stem cells that make more bone. This also tells us that working out and lifting heavy pumps up stem cells in our muscles. The big thing is keeping at it. Consistency matters. And if you just dabble in exercise now and then, try amping up your routine. Get yourself to the gym or train with a personal trainer. Already lift weights? Add more pounds. If you run or bike, push to go faster or longer. Overall, aim for 150 minutes of aerobic exercise per week. Though high-intensity interval training may give you more bang for your buck time-wise, chat with a professional before diving in. Got injuries or health stuff that limits your ability to exercise? Just focus on what you can do. Try gentle water workouts or take daily walks. The goal is simply getting more active so the stem cells we do have are top-notch. Curcumin. Curcumin is probably a familiar word to some folks since it's that bright orange chemical that gives turmeric its vibrant color. Researchers have found that curcumin beats back inflammation something fierce. It also lends a hand to mesenchymal stem cells, which are these neat progenitor cells that can turn into other stuff like bone tissue. So not only does curcumin knock down oxidative stress that chews up bone, it also cranks up bone production. And some promising studies shows it might guard joints from the wear and tear of arthritis too. Try supplements. While it's not proven, vitamin C and D may help stem cells stay healthy and turn into other cell types. Plus, vitamin C could help your body make more bone marrow stem cells. So taking supplements to get enough C and D may support your cells. Though more research is needed, some studies hint they keep cells young and help them work right. Trying supplements ensures you get sufficient amounts that could nurture your cells. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more daily content like this.